Before you invest, it's crucial to understand the company you're considering. Dive into what the company does, the industry it operates in, and its potential for growth. Avoid investing just because the company's name is familiar. Analyzing a company's financial statements is essential. Ask yourself, is the company profitable? Does it carry a significant amount of debt? Are its revenues stable? Without knowing these answers, you're essentially investing blindly and taking unnecessary risks. Don't be swayed by a stock's price alone. A stock priced at $5 isn't necessarily cheap. True value is determined by the company's fundamentals, not just the price tag. Always assess the intrinsic value before making a purchase. When considering dividends, focus on consistency rather than yield. It's not about how much dividend is paid once, but whether it's paid regularly and sustainably over time. Consistent dividends can be a sign of a company's financial health. Sudden price spikes can be misleading. If a stock's price rises too quickly, a correction might be on the horizon. Stay calm, think logically, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. In investing, emotions like fear and greed can be your worst enemies. Base your decisions on data and analysis, not emotions. Stay patient, stick to your plan, and remember that investing is a long-term commitment. Diversification is key to reducing risk. Don't put all your money into one industry. Spread your investments across various sectors like technology, finance, and consumer goods to protect your portfolio from sector-specific downturns. Take news and rumors with a grain of salt. Not everything you see on social media or hear in the news is accurate. Rely on credible sources and verified information when making investment decisions to avoid costly mistakes. Utilize technical analysis to determine entry and exit points. Learning to spot support and resistance levels can give you a significant edge in timing your trades effectively, helping you maximize profits and minimize losses. The stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on the big picture instead of getting caught up in daily fluctuations. Long-term thinking allows you to ride out market volatility and capitalize on growth over time. Stocks will inevitably go down at times. Avoid the temptation to panic sell, as this often leads to losses. Instead, try to understand the reasons behind the drop and assess whether it's a temporary setback or a fundamental issue. Implement stop-loss strategies to protect your investments. If a trade goes wrong, cutting your losses early can keep you in the game. This disciplined approach helps preserve your capital for future opportunities. Don't go all in on one stock. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Concentrating too much on a single stock can be risky, especially if the company faces unforeseen challenges or market conditions change. Pay attention to a company's debt levels. Excessive debt can be a red flag, particularly during economic downturns. A company's financial strength and ability to manage debt are crucial factors in assessing its long-term viability. Investing isn't a buy-and-forget activity. Keep following the company after purchasing its stock. Stay updated with news, financial reports, and developments to make informed decisions about holding or selling your shares. While bonus issues and dividends are appealing, they shouldn't be your sole focus. The company's long-term performance and growth prospects are what truly matter. Prioritize sustainable growth over short-term incentives. Have a clear profit-taking strategy. Set a target and stick to it. Without a plan, you might miss the optimal time to exit, potentially leaving profits on the table. Discipline is key to successful investing. The stock market is a continuous learning journey. There's always something new to discover. Invest in your knowledge by reading, researching, and staying informed. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. In today's digital age, threats lurk everywhere. WebRoot Internet Security Plus offers a powerful, lightweight solution to keep you safe. With its 100% cloud-based design, WebRoot provides real-time protection without slowing down your system. It shields you from viruses, ransomware, phishing, and identity theft. WebRoot isn't just for computers. It extends its protection to your Android and iOS devices, ensuring comprehensive security across all your gadgets. Its built-in password manager securely stores your login credentials, allowing you to browse with peace of mind and convenience. True security should work for you, not against you. Discover WebRoot Internet Security Plus today and stay safe in a connected world. Click the link in the description or profile to get started.